So you
It
mentioned
definitely gives you your time back again. It gives you a bit of freedom to know that things are just happening when you're doing other stuff.
Yeah, 100%. And I don't suppose you remember when you set it up, but you know, how long did it take you to sort of put it into place? Are we talking days? Are we talking hours? Are we talking minutes? Is it something, you know?
It's something which only took an hour to set up. Realistically, what took the time is then tweaking and perfecting it. So over a period of the time that we've had the business, we still even now make adaptations, changes to the emails, and we split test to see if we get a better result from more responses if we change some wording in it, or if we take certain bits out. So I would say to physically set up the first few emails on your PMS, or to set up an automated one on MailChimp, it doesn't take long at all. Get something set up and then see what response you get and adapt from there. That's the best way.
Yeah. And again, what's really important to state with jotform, because I've just seen a question coming from Michelle, it is a separate software from the PMS, from Hostfully, but on the email confirmation that goes out, in the automated messaging that goes out through Hostfully, that is where you input the link to the jotform. So although it's, you know, Hostfully, jotform, MailChimp are 3 separate pieces of software, they are all connected. And for the most part, excluding Hostfully, MailChimp and jotform are free. So it's not like you've got to fork out for extra software, etc. And obviously with you can upgrade and you can spend a little bit of money with them, but even if you do, it's minimal at most.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.